we are going to start next type of analgesic is non-narcotic analgesic, that is NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent, in which we have to study what is analgesic, what is antipyretic, then anti-inflammatory agent, after that their classification, then mechanism of action of narcotic analgesic, then pharmacology of non-narcotic analgesic or NSAID, then their side effects, and then uses, after that preparation, and last one point is salicylism. Like in narcotic agents or narcotic analgesic, there is morphine poisoning. In non-narcotic analgesic, salicylism or salicylate poisoning. So started from there. Definition. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-narcotic analgesic or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or agent. Definition: these are the pharmacological agents which administered, then they relieve mild to moderate pain and shows analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory action. They are known as non-narcotic analgesic or NSAID. हे असे pharmacological agents आहेत. They relieve or they remove the mild to moderate. Moderate म्हणजे medium आणि mild म्हणजे genuinely किंवा normally ज्या पेन्स असतात त्या पेन्स रिलीव्ह करतात. And roll number 71.
मॅम स्क्रीन दिसत नाही.
हॅलो मॅडम, स्क्रीन दिसत नाही.
The second type of analgesic agent is non-narcotic analgesic. They are also known as NSAID, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. In which, firstly, definition of non-narcotic agents or NSAID. These are the pharmacological agents which on the administration they relieve mild to moderate pain and shows analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory action. What is analgesic?
These are pharmacological agent which when administered orally they relieve pain.
They relieve the pain. Antipyretic, hyperpyrexia. Do you know about antipyretic agents, anti-inflammatory agent? So NSAID are the pharmacological agents which on the administration they relieve. Relieve means to reduce or to stop the mild to moderate pain. Mild म्हणजे normally or genuinely जो occur होणाऱ्या pain आहेत त्या pain and also moderate medium pains they can relieved by this agent and shows analgesic, antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory action. So analgesic, this point already discussed in our last chapter, that is narcotic analgesic, in which analgesic these are the pharmacological agent they relieve the pain sensation are known as analgesic. Then antipyretic, hyperpyrexia, that is fever. Okay, increased body temperature. Fever मध्ये तेच होतं ना, increase body temperature होतं की decrease होतं?
Increase the body temperature.
At that time antipyretic agents are given. Then these are the pharmacological agent. They reduce the elevated body temperature to the normal temperature. They reduce इलिवेट म्हणजे इन्क्रीज झालेलं जे बॉडी टेम्परेचर आहे ते बॉडी टेम्परेचर रिड्यूस करतात, डिक्रीज करतात अँटीपायरेटिक एजंट अप टू द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर. These are known as these agents are known as antipyretic agents. Then last one, anti-inflammatory agents. These are the pharmacological agents. They are used in treatment of inflammation, are known as anti-inflammatory agent. This is about anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, and analgesic, and these actions shown by NSAID or narcotic analgesic agent. What is antipyretic?
Increase body temperature. Increase the body temperature.
Body temperature.
To reduce increase body temperature.
Reduce elevate
म्हणजे
body temperature to normal
Reduce
temperature.
the normal
fever
temperature.
झाल्यावर
Elevate
जे
body
drug,
temperature to normal temperature.
okay, fever झाल्यावर antipyretics agents are used to treat this condition. Fever कशी occur होते, mechanism माहिती आहे, how the fever occurs in our body, की फक्त feverच माहिती आहे? Yes or no? This question is not for exam. How the fever is occur in our body? Any idea? माहिती आहे का? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ज्यावेळेस एखादं व्हायरल किंवा बॅक्टेरियल इन्फेक्शन होतं बॉडीला, when there is viral or bacterial infection to our body, at that time WBC, which act as immunity, which having the immunity defense mechanism, that is immunity system जे WBC कडे असते, that immunity system fight to that viral or bacterial infection. जे bacterial infection बॉडीला झाले त्या bacterial infection ला WBC act by immunity defense mechanism, म्हणजे immunity system जी provide करते WBC, they fight to this viral or bacterial infection. And when this process is occur, ज्यावेळेस ते fighting to that bacterial infection, at that time immunity system एक chemical release करते बॉडी मध्ये. That chemical is pyrogen. पायरोजन हॉस्पिटलमध्ये किंवा सुटिक्स फर्स्ट मध्ये ऐकलं असेल. येस और नो?
Body temperature increase.
That pyrogens are responsible to increase the body temperature, and pyrogens are the lipopolysaccharides. ते lipopolysaccharides आहेत, and these are the major component of outer membrane of gram negative bacteria. म्हणजे जी सेल मेम्ब्रेन आहे त्याचं ते मेजर आउटर कंपोनेंट आहे. And that pyrogen contain lipopolysaccharide, or pyrogens are the endogenous substances. They are originated inside the body. बॉडीच्या इनसाइड मध्ये ते प्रोड्यूस केले जातात ज्यावेळेस इम्युनिटी सिस्टीम त्या बॅक्टेरियल इन्फेक्शनला फाइट करत असते at that time. And that pyrogens goes to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is heat regulating or temperature regulating center आहे, right? Which is present in the brain. तथा heat regulating temperature वर ते act होतं, and here it act by increasing the normal body temperature. जे normal body temperature वर आहे त्याच्यावर ते affect करतं and increase the normal body temperature, thus fever is produced. Body temperature increase झालं means fever occur होणार आहे, right? This is mechanism of fever. समजलं how the fever is occur?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This one not asked for your exam, but for your general information, you have to remember this, how the fever is occur. Then after that, so fever वर hyperpyrexia त्या condition वर जे agent treat होतात, that agents are known as antipyretic agents. Means these are the pharmacological agents. They reduce the elevated body temperature to the normal temperature of body, is known as antipyretic agents. The next part, mechanism of action of NSAID, that is non non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent. This point we will discuss on our next lecture. Before that, NSAID definition and what is analgesic, what is antipyretic, and anti-inflammatory